Hi guys, welcome to How to Library. Today I'm going to show you how to make a channel private on Discord. So first things first, we're going to click on the channel you want to make private. So we're going to use this clips and highlights. And then we're going to click on the top right corner, the little person icon. And that will bring us here. So we have threads, pins, notifications, settings. We're going to click on settings. And we have channel name, channel topic, category, and channel permission. So we're going to stop here. We're going to click on channel permission. And you have private channel. And by making a channel, only select members and roles will be able to view this channel. So I'm just going to flip the switch. Will become a private channel and visible to selected members and roles. Add. I don't have anyone to add, but here you can add who you want to be in the private channel. And that's about it. That's how you make your channel private. So we're just going to go back, close. And as you can see on the hashtag on the channel, clips and highlights, there's a little locked icon, and that means the channel is private. And that's how you make a private channel. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye guys.